Good morning. Our course is about a series of activities that we implement over 7 weeks in order to improve our hearing in English. Science was a difficult topic for us. The first activity was moving with the English language and subtitle in it. This in order that the hearer better recognize the sound of certain words that are difficult to hear. Approximately 7 movies were seen. The second activity is about listening to music in English along with its lyrics. Several songs were heard during that day for 7 days in order to teach the hearer to recognize certain words when they were heard. The third activity was about read text in English and words that can not be easily understood in terms of pronunciation. Share them of the internet and listen to them 10 times and record doing it later to see the progress.